Meet Sara, a recent high school graduate who dreams of supporting herself and her family. But to achieve her dream, Sara needs a bachelor's degree, which means years of traditional classroom education. But Sara doesn't want to spend years going to a physical university every day. She wants to work, travel, and enjoy her life too. Sara used to spend hours commuting to college, but not anymore. With the convenience of online learning, she can now study from the comfort of her own home without wasting time on long commutes. No more wasted time or frustration. Sara can now take control of her education and achieve her goals on her own terms. No more boring lectures or sitting in traffic. Sara can now learn at her own pace, on her own terms, and get the education she needs to succeed. That's where Deanship of Electronic and Distance Learning, University of Science and Technology, Main Campus Aden comes in. With over 20 years of experience in e-learning, we offer flexible and affordable online bachelor's degree programs that fit Sara's lifestyle. With the power of e-learning, Sara can study at her own pace, on her own time, and from anywhere in the world. She can work, travel, and enjoy her life while earning her bachelor's degree. And Sara is not alone. Many students like her who want to balance work, life, and education are choosing online learning. She's made the smart decision to embrace the flexibility and convenience of e-learning, and it's already paying off for her. Thanks to online learning, you can now have the best of both worlds. You can achieve your academic goals while keeping your life on track. It's the perfect balance of learning and living. If you're like Sara and want to achieve your dreams without sacrificing your life, contact us today and learn more about their flexible and affordable online bachelor's degree programs. For more information on the Deanship of Electronic and Distance Learning, University of Science and Technology Main Campus Aden, visit ust.edu. For online applications, smart.ust.edu. To learn more about our accredited programs locally and internationally in different specializations, business, management, finance, HR, and many more.